It's your fucking birthday. It's a fucking celebration. Tonight we celebrate. It's a celebration. Oh, it's your birthday, baby. It's your birthday. And shit shouldn't excite you on your birthday. It's your fucking birthday.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here, and I am back again with another video. You know, got the hair slayed, you know, 26 inches. You know, your girl got the makeup done by Kobe. Okay, no, it's drizzling, but yeah, I'm headed to my birthday photo shoot, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog it. So my birthday is tomorrow. It's Sunday, September 30th, but my birthday is October 1st, tomorrow. So I wanted some pictures for my birthday, so yeah, I'm doing a photo shoot. So yeah, I hope y'all like it. I'm getting Miles to vlog it. Yeah, I haven't seen him in a minute, but yeah, he's gonna vlog me and stuff. It's drizzling, and I'm kind of mad because it's an outdoor photo shoot. But yeah, I'm walking to the gate to go to the Uber and stuff. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. All right, so we are at the place. We're probably gonna be like more so in the downtown area. Say hey. I know. But yeah, so yeah, we're about to have the photo shoot, and Miles is gonna vlog. So wish him luck, cause who knows how it's gonna turn out.
All right. Oh, the fashion show did good though. I did get on the fashion show.
Right, yeah.
So we gonna see.
We shall see. But yeah, so it's really nice. Whenever he vlogs, you'll see my whole outfit. But basically, you know, makeup by Kobe, my friend. You know, I'm gonna link her right here. And hair by Chastity. Ooh, I'm gonna link her right here. Hair, icyhair.com. Brazilian Body Wave. 22, 24, 26, 20-inch closure. Had to get it all out because yeah, I'm probably gonna get questions. So yeah, I hope I answered all your questions. I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Dress made by Miles Ellis.
Oh, the dress is from Fashion Nova. The choker and stuff, I have had this for like over a year, so I can't remember. But you know, Google gold bra and choker set. I don't know. But yeah, so we're here at the Millennium Gate Museum. Actually, the outside part of it, I've never actually been on the inside. So, but me and Lex, I don't know if you remember, during spring break, we had a photo shoot here. So yeah, I was like, let's go back and do like a city view. So we're gonna be over here, and I might do some over here too, because it's pretty too. I just didn't want to do like green because it's too much going on. I already have green, so yeah. So enjoy the vlog. Here you go.
I'm gonna make you my boy. I feel it right down my spine, boy. I will promise you there's nothing to lose if you only knew what say it's long overdue. I'm gonna make you my boy. Don't you see all the signs, boy? If you trust me, I know you'll see I won't make you get down on one knee. I'm gonna make you my boy. I feel it right down my spine, boy. I will promise you there's nothing to lose if you only knew what say it's long overdue. I'm gonna make you my boy. Don't you see all the signs, boy? If you trust me, I know you'll see I won't
Want to be on top?
You're doing too much moving.
All right, so it's a wrap. Yeah, the wind's blowing like this way, so it's getting in my face. But yeah, we're about to walk to Atlantic Station and just, you know, explore the city since it's Sunday. And, you know, it's a beautiful day. Birthday's tomorrow, and do the weed dance. Ooh, do the weed dance. But yeah, we're about to head to Atlantic Station. My hair is staying behind my ear for the rest of the day. But yeah, y'all, I'm low-key feeling myself. High-key feeling myself. But yeah, I've been not vlogging because I've been looking crusty, so I couldn't come on to y'all looking a mess, so had to come back right. But yeah, so we're about to walk to Atlanta Station. It's like literally right over there by that Target. It's like right over there, so we're gonna walk over there. And oh wait, we can't walk out over the edge.
I was definitely about to go.
I mean, we lucky could. I was gonna just walk through here. But yeah, isn't this a nice little area? Now we'll see one for Starbucks. You call my name, but I am with Miles and Starbucks. He's back there ordering. I'm looking up some movies because maybe we can watch a movie while we're here. Cause I never go out, y'all. Like, especially like the past 2 weeks. Even when I filmed my last video, I was just like in a rut. Like, just a lot was going on. Thank you, though. Yeah, just a lot was going on, and I kind of don't really want to get into it, but basically, yeah, I was in a rut for like 2 weeks. I didn't go anywhere. Like, I literally studied, went to class, was in my room. Like, I didn't do anything. The day in my life, I kind of wanted to get out for you guys, you know, and even for myself. Like, maybe it'll make me feel better, but it didn't really. Like, my family and my friends are the only people that really got me out the rut, and of course praying to God. So, you know, if you're in a similar situation, or we're in a similar situation as I was, you know, you can always reach out to me. I'm always here, a listening ear. And yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know, because I definitely felt like I couldn't talk to anybody about my, you know, problems and feelings, because I don't like putting that on anybody else or feeling like, you know, a victim or anything. But yeah, so just wanted to chat with y'all, tell y'all why, you know, I was going for that long. But yeah, I'm looking up movies for today.
Yes, yes, y'all. They can tell them stop until the beat comes. It's a short stop. I met this girl when I was 10 years old. What I love most, she had so much talk. She was old school.
So yeah, he got his Starbucks.
You gotta have it. If you're tired, caramel macchiato, extra drizzle.
Fun fact, I am allergic. I can't drink coffee or smell it for too long because I'll get headaches.
I was just about to offer you some too. That's crazy.
Yeah, I wanted to try it, but I was like, no, it's not worth the headache.
It tastes like straight.
Because we're trying to watch a movie. What is it called? School's Out? I don't know. I'll update y'all to know the exact movie, but basically it's the movie with Kevin Hart and what's her name? Something Harris.
The funny white girl.
No, black girl from Girls Trip. Y'all, I'm gonna put it right here because I'm like lost. This is so cute, like this little area. It's like our boardwalk back at home. It's going that way. I can't teach you. I couldn't be no teacher. Look at that.
off. Definitely. She's definitely showing off.
Fun fact.
Now
There's a whole bunch of fun facts.
Now
about
I
me.
gotta go warm up.
Fun fact. I used to play piano since 2nd grade up until like 11th, whenever my keyboard broke.
I think I touched the piano maybe 4 times in my life.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, you're dead.
Yeah, meanwhile, my dad is a musician. That doesn't make sense. I'm sick.
Me and Miles are at California Pizza Kitchen. We just got spinach dip, just like something quick before the movie, because it starts in 20 minutes. So yeah, we're probably gonna take some of this to go and eat it in the movies, right? But yeah, this is what we got. Just some spinach artichoke dip.
I don't know what that is.
Oil and vinegar, sweets, pizza with no anything. Just nice.
Where's the
We're full. Are you full?
Because
he don't drink water. I'm full half off the water, honestly. But yeah, we ate it all. We didn't have any leftovers. But yeah, so.
You think, where's the,
Going to the movies. So, how'd you like the movie?
It was good.
Oh, it was
Kevin
called.
Hart was pretty funny.
Yeah, it was called Night School. Tiffany Haddish.
Tiffany Haddish, yeah, that was her name.
But yeah, it was pretty cool. I laughed a lot. Fell asleep because I woke up too early today, but it was really good though. So.
Kennedy cannot hang.
I was cackling though. It's dark here.
Only dark people.
But yeah, we're trying to go look around. He trying to shop.
I'm trying to go to H&M real quick, see if I can find some heat.
Some heat?
Some heat.
I went to H&M the other day trying to find a blouse. Everything was 20 and up. I'm like, I just want a simple little thing.
But girl shopping is hella cheap though. For us, I can't find nothing less than $20.
Well, yeah, that's true. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Hey, what's up, y'all? So yeah, we're about to leave. We just been kind of walking around. He was looking at some stores for stuff, but
no luck.
No luck. But yeah, we're about to head back to campus so I can change because this bra kind of hurts my neck because it's like this one string. But ooh, turn this way. But yeah, so we're about to take a lift back because I don't do Uber anymore. That's another story for another day, but
that's a story time for sure. Yeah,
so we're about to head back to campus and I'm just gonna change to something more comfortable, more practical, you know,
I wonder what
for studying. Yeah, I wonder, they're doing H&M construction over here in Atlantic Station, so.
There was like a corner for the men.
I know, right? We'll catch y'all back on campus maybe, so. All right, y'all, so I am back in the room. Obviously, I had to change out of everything because my neck was like hurting in the back because the like diamonds on the like bralette type thing was like, yeah, hurting. But yeah, so I'm comfortable, I'm hungry. So I'm about to go get something, probably from Lower Manly because the cafe is closed. They close at 7 on Sundays. Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays. And that's all I was wanting, really, Chick-fil-A. At least from here. Because if I had options, honey, I would not choose it, okay? I don't know, it just gets redundant eating the same food, but yeah, I'm about to get some food because I'm starving. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here, and I am back again with another video. It's my birthday, you know, Dub Club, 20 years young, blessed, never stressed, never pressed. So today is October 1st, my birthday, a national holiday, you know. I am 20 today. It's my birthday vlog, if you couldn't tell from the title. And hi, if you're new to my channel, I'm Kennedy, a 20-year-old sophomore at Spelman College in Atlanta, Georgia. And I do college lifestyle vlogs and videos, advice. I also make fashion videos, and I'm a musician. So if you're new, stay tuned, subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew because we're the best crew. And yeah, basically I'm about to go to class. I'm kind of running a little late. I'm gonna get there on time, but I just don't want to be rushing, and I have on heels. Oh, the fit. Okay, so I'm wearing this choker, you know, of course the beat face, of course the hair. Then I have this little bodysuit, and then some white jeans, some heels, and this duster from Fashion Nova. So, you know, just popping out a little bit. So yeah, pretty much I am just going to be vlogging my day. I have a birthday dinner planned. I don't know who's gonna show up because a lot of people have a lot going on. Mind you, it's Monday. I was gonna do it on Sunday, but I was thinking it was gonna be busy because my photo shoot was yesterday. Could have had it yesterday, but you know, it's fine. I just really wanted to do something for my birthday anyways. So yeah, just whoever shows up, I'm gonna be grateful. Also, this vlog is obviously gonna go up after my birthday, so I'm gonna thank you guys in advance for all the birthday wishes. I'm super grateful, super blessed to have you guys in my life. And you know, it's a great addition to the fam, Ken's crew, okay? But yeah, I've already gotten a lot of DMs from Ken's crew, my subscribers and everything. So yeah, I'm super thankful and I love y'all, for real. I'm probably not gonna show you guys going to class, so I'll just check back in after I leave class. So yeah.